By the end of this episode, not only will you have seen an epic unboxing of over $2,200 of gold and silver bullion, but you will have also seen the biggest coin of 2024, and that is the Britannia Liberty Gold Coin from Tavex Bullion. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. What are we talking about today, and what, more importantly, are we showing? So we're going to be showing the Britannia and Liberty Gold Coin from 2024 from Tavex Bullion, and an Australian Kookaburra 2024 silver coin as well. Now, Tavex Bullion have very kindly sent me these two stunning pieces, and one of them I'm very, very tempted to buy myself. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video, because we're going to be going through all of the price points, the risks in buying these particular pieces, the history of gold, and everything surrounding investments as well. So let's get straight to the episode. Okay, so I've got this Gold Britannia here and this silver coin. Absolutely stunning pieces. Are they a good opportunity to get your hand on some nice pieces of bullion right now? Well, I think so. Gold price recently has shown to be doing very, very well. Silver in the UK is rather expensive, but I think when we start going through some of the price comparisons between these and more generic pieces, you'll be pleasantly surprised, and I dare say some of you may even finish this video and go and start buying some of these pieces, because believe me, I am very, very tempted to buy one of these pieces in front of me right now. Okay, so let's take a closer look at these two beautiful pieces that Tavex Bullion have sent me. So let's start off with the 1 ounce 2024 Kookaburra silver coin. First of all, I've got to say it feels like a 2 ounce coin. It really does. It feels much bigger than, say, a 1 ounce Britannia. It feels thicker. I don't know if that's because it's the capsule, or maybe it's because of the brushed effect in the background, giving it the appearance of maybe having a larger surface area. But nonetheless, first impressions are fantastic. I love the fact that it's got a very clean portrait of King Charles on the reverse. We move it over to the front, and it's got a kookaburra holding a snake there with the mountains in the background. Now, how much is this piece going to set you back? Well, if you're buying it from Tavex Bullion, which I expect you may consider doing, it's one of the cheapest places to pick it up at £27.95, including VAT. I think that is an absolutely fabulous price. With their delivery fee of £5, you're looking at a price of £32.95. Now, this coin, unfortunately, is not capital gains tax exempt in the United Kingdom. However, if you are from Australia, it is legal tender, and it is capital gains tax exempt. So there's a bonus for you if you're from Australia. Now, what is the risk of buying this coin? Well, if you buy this coin right now at £27.95 and you sell it straight back to Tavex Bullion, you risk £10.58 right now. So not the best, I must admit, but we do know that silver is expensive in the UK. You know, the VAT and the premiums is a bit of a killer for silver. So yeah, if you were to sell it straight back to the bullion dealer you purchased from, you're looking at a risk of about £10.58. But of course, anyone who's buying silver is not going to be looking to sell that back straight away. But it does give you a good idea of the price point. Now, how does this compare to, say, a generic 1 ounce silver Britannia? Well, a generic 1 ounce silver Britannia is going to set you back £25.31. So what's the difference between a Britannia and this Kookaburra, both weighing 1 ounce of silver, both 4/9 fine? Well, the difference is actually very good. It's only £2.64. So I personally think that's a fantastic price. I don't think the premiums are high on this, considering it's come all the way from Australia, being minted by the Perth Mint. I think a fee of £2.64 on top of what would be a generic Britannia is a really, really fair price to ask for. I really expected more than that. So overall, I give this quite a high rating for its design, for its quality, and for its price point. As an investment, silver is very expensive in the UK, but if we put that to one side for the moment, as a coin, as an investment coin, I'd give this a solid 8 out of 10. Okay, so now we move on to the really exciting stuff. What have I got here? Well, this is a 1 ounce 2024 Britannia and Liberty gold coin. Now, this coin is a representative of the partnership between America and the United Kingdom. I personally love this coin. I love the design featuring Britannia here, and then we rotate it round very carefully. You can see the Liberty on the opposite side of the coin. I really love how patriotic this is. I think the partnership between two of the greatest powers in the globe, being the United Kingdom and the United States of America, is a fantastic thing to see on a coin. Not alone a silver coin, but a gold 1 ounce coin. I think the power of that is something truly, truly special. Now, when we look at the design, it's stunning. I love the matte brushed finish in the background, and then the mirrored finish of the Britannia, the Liberty, and the bevel edge round the exterior of the coin. It really is stunning. It's got a ribbed finish round the side of the coin, and when we flip it over, it's got King Charles on the reverse. An absolutely stunning coin. Now, how does this weigh up in price point? Is it worth purchasing, or are there some heavy premiums to be paid to get such a special item like this? Well, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. To pick one of these up from Tavex Bullion, it's going to set you back £1,695, plus the £5 delivery, that's £1,700. Now, how does that compare to buying a generic 1 ounce Gold Britannia? Well, I think you probably might assume that there'd be some very, very high premiums on this because it's such a bespoke design. It's got a limited mintage of only 10,000 pieces. So when I did the price comparison, I was very, very pleased to see there's only a £9 difference between this premium piece and a generic 1 ounce Gold Britannia. £9 difference. I think that's a brilliant price point to really sell this coin. I would honestly expect higher premiums to get such a limited edition bespoke design. This is the first of its kind. I've never seen a joint coin from the United Kingdom and the United States. I think it's going to be a very, very popular piece for patriotic stackers and stackers in general. I could see this going up in value, a bit like the Una and the Lion bars did. And the fact that it's got a limited mintage of 10,000 coins is pretty exciting as well. Now, what's the risk of buying this right now? Well, if you buy it from Tavex and then you sell it back straight away, you're going to risk £66. That's their buyback difference. There's a £66 risk point from buying this coin, and I actually think that's pretty good. No one's going to buy this and sell it back straight away, but it gives you an idea of how much value is in this coin, and I think that's pretty exciting. Overall, I love this coin. I think the price point is fantastic for what it is. If I was trying to purchase 1 ounce gold coins in my stack right now, I would be very much considering buying one of these. So what's the rating for this coin? What do I give it out of 10? Well, I've got to be honest with you, I rate it very, very highly. I think it's going to be extremely desirable. I think the price point is fantastic. And I think the design is equally as stunning as, say, a generic Britannia. Dare I say, even more exciting than the generic Britannia. So I would give this coin a solid 9 out of 10 from Tavex Bullion. I personally think it's a great investment to add to your bullion stack. So as we finalise the end of this video, I've got to say both of these coins are very, very exciting. I think they're both at a very affordable and a very nice price point, especially the Britannia and Liberty gold coin. And as an investment, well, we know that in the last decade, the last 10 years, gold has risen by 112%, with a low of £672 and a high of £1,712. I find it very hard to find a reason to not buy either of these coins. And if you consider the fact that you actually can use my discount code at Tavex Bullion, which is in the description below, on certain selected gold and silver pieces, it makes it even easier to buy gold and silver bullion right now. So very, very stunning pieces. A big thank you to Tavex for sending me these. You can find a link for their website in the description below. And until next time, I'll see you all in the very next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Well, thank you for staying till the very end of the episode. I really appreciate your valuable time. For that, I just wanted to let you know about my channel membership here on YouTube. You can join the exclusive club by becoming a premium future investor. We've got a fantastic amount of people and club members in our exclusive club as of now, and I must say it's great fun. Not only do you get priority reply to all of your comments on YouTube, but you also get exclusive behind the scenes content. Most recently, I did a full investment portfolio reveal. That's right, I included everything from my precious metals, my cash savings, my property, and my index funds. So if you are wanting to see exclusive behind the scenes, joining that club is possibly a great venture for you. Not only that though, but you do also get automatic entry every single month into fantastic gold and silver and precious metal prize giveaways. So for your chance to be entered, join the exclusive club and come and say hello. It's a fantastic place to be, and I really hope to see you there.